You are the whisper that colors my dreams, a melody, gentle yet profound, and its art, a rhythm that dances to the beat of my heart. Oh, how the dawn anyways, you are radiant glow, for no sun could rival the warmth you bestow. You are rather a song that the heavens have sung, a sweet serenade where all hearts are young with every glance. The world stands still, line bends to your gaze, obeying your will. Your eyes twin galaxies, vast and profound in their endless expanse. My soul has been found. The touch of your hand, a balm for my pain. It mends every fracture like soft summer rain. Each finger a brush stroke, painting my skis, turning grey coats into hues that erase your voice. A river so thin, so deep, it cradles my sorrows and lulls them to sleep. A symphony, soft yet so fierce in its might, it banishes darkness and welcome the night light when storms range around and shadows discontent. You are my harbor, my lover, my friend, a beacon unwearing through life's curious tide, guiding me safely with you by my side. The scan of your princess, a garden in bloom, displaying the cold, the fear, the gloom. Each breath that I take is laced with your name, each heartbeat a whisper that echoes the same. Love is a word, yet it pales in its scope to capture the depth of my infinite hope for you. You are the essence of all that is true, the anchor, the sky, eternal. I do. Oh, how the moon envies your sickling embrace, for even its glow cannot match your grace. In your arms, I find all the heavens combined, a universe vast yet uniquely designed. Every scare on my soul finds solace in you. Your love, a mirror reflecting what's true. You see all my flaws, yet cherish them still, loving each shadow, each fracture, each will. The tapestry of life, woman, strand by strand, finds its beauty complete when you hold my hand, each thread a memory, a moments, a start, a masterpiece, etched in the depth of my heart. Should the stars ever falter and fade from the sky, should the rivers cast following and deserts run dry, even then, my love, I would not despair, for my word is whole whenever you are there through seasons that shift through times, cruel decay through night and through dawn. Come what may, our love will endure, uniliding, unbound, an eternal flame, where all hope is found. For you are my muse, my joy, my refrain, the cue to my sorrow, the balm for my pain, a promise eternal, unbroken, divine. Forever, my dearest. Your heart beats with mine in the vastness of life through the ages. Untold, our love will remain a treasure of gold. For even as time may crumble and cast, you are my forever, my soul's endless peace. So here I will stand through the trails. We face bound to your heart in an unifying embrace. For love is a journey, a path ever to end. My greatest joy is walking it with you.